Hello, if you are new to this channel, welcome. If not, welcome back again, because we want you to trade safe and get the maximum leverage as possible. Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. The Pi network has recently generated both excitement and controversy. So many people are wondering whether it is worth mining. But what exactly is a Pi network? What is its purpose? And how does the Pi network function? Stay tuned if you might have asked yourself the same question. Pi network aspires to be the cryptocurrency that makes mining accessible to the general public. While the traditional proof-of-work technique of minting new crypto has attracted a lot of negative attention due to the amount of energy it requires, Pi employs the stellar consensus mechanism. This allows network nodes to validate transactions on a distributed ledger and come to an agreement on the order in which new transactions should be recorded. The nodes establish groups of 3 to 5 trusted individuals known to each network user. These then form a network that, in principle, prevents fraudulent transactions by requiring transactions to be validated by trustworthy nodes. Another distinction is that the money can be created via a mobile phone app. While it may appear that this would consume a lot of energy, the Pi network's creators maintain that this is not the case, saying that Pi protects its ledger when members vouch for each other as trustworthy. This creates a network of interlocking security rings, which decides who is allowed to conduct transactions. This new technique enables crypto mining on your phone by utilizing your current social connections at no cost, with slight battery depletion and a small environmental imprint. There are 4 sorts of users on the Pi network. First, we have the pioneers. These are everyday users who utilize the Pi network mobile app to verify that users are not robots and mine the Pi network crypto. Second, we have the contributors. These individuals use the program to compile a list of pioneers they are familiar with and trust. Third, we have the ambassadors. They show new users how to use the Pi app. Fourth, we have the nodes. These individuals act as pioneers and contributors and run the Pi node software on their PCs. They are in charge of verifying transactions and establishing the trusted network that does this. The Pi network was created in 2019 by Nicholas Kokalis and Chingdayo Fan. Kokalis and Fan both have PhDs from Stanford University in the United States, with Kokalis having a computer science degree and Fan having a computational anthropology degree. Both the testnet and the number of active pioneers reached 1 million in 2020. The Pi network announced on November 25th that it had reached 29 million users. On a daily basis, 61,120 new pioneers joined the network. The main net was last seen live at the end of December. Before we go on, let's shout out to this video's sponsors. Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare can help you make 2022 a year of new learning, growth, and connection through creativity. When I first wanted to start building my YouTube channel, I had many worries, such as creating whiteboard animations. With Skillshare, I was able to learn how to make whiteboard animations in no time. I took a course from Mary and Gracia on Skillshare and learned everything I needed to know about making whiteboard animations. And it doesn't stop there. There are thousands of programs for anyone looking to build a skill set in 2022. Have a specific skill you're trying to learn? Skillshare is the perfect place to start. From photography and illustration to graphic design, freelancing, and more, you can find classes that will match your goals and interests. Skillshare is ad-free, so you can stay in the zone while you're exploring new skills. If you are someone that struggles with the English language, don't worry, as Skillshare's entire catalog is now available with subtitles in Spanish, French, Portuguese, and German. So join now to enjoy premium classes launched each week. There's always something new to discover. Skillshare is a community of creative and curious people. If you're looking to join this community that has been life-changing for me, then the first 1,000 people to use this link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Pi staged its inaugural hackathon, #BuildPiTogether, from June 2021 to September 2021. A collaborative event where pioneers and developers collaborated to build the future of Pi together. According to its website, among the winners were leaders in the ecosystem and business apps, each receiving 100,000 and 100,000 Pi. However, the Pi network cryptocurrency has limited utility because it is not available for open trading. If individuals can't purchase, sell, or swap Pi coins, it's out of one of the most popular uses for cryptocurrency. The Pi Network's peer-to-peer marketplace, on the other hand, will allow people to purchase and sell items, so it should have some use if restricted. When it hit 100,000 users, the coin's mining rate was halved to 1.6 coins per hour, then halved again to 0.4 Pi Network Pi per hour when it reached 1 million, then again to 0.2 Pi when it reached 10 million. It will continue to halve until 1 billion users are reached. This halving is done to improve token value by increasing scarcity. Early adopters have a large supply of Pi than those who arrive later. There are additional incentives for developers and referrals. Despite the mainnet being online, the Pi Network has yet to be listed on exchanges. This indicates that the coin has not yet entered the open market. As a result, we have no clue what Pi's price is. What will it be in the future? Or how will it respond to certain events in the crypto market? We don't know if it will be a cryptocurrency that follows the crowd or one that goes against the grain. While there have been some Pi price projections, there is still a lot of uncertainty with algorithm-based forecast being substituted by guesswork, which is typically consistent, if not always right. Wallet Investor, for example, has removed its Pi price prediction, stating that this currency hasn't been updated, incomplete data, or revoked coin. However, it does imply that the price of Pi should be 0.004077, although this might just as well be speculation. The time, attention, and products will determine Pi's worth and services provided by other network members. Pi's members aspire to capture more of the value that traditionally goes to banks, technological companies, for example, Facebook, Amazon, and other intermediaries by pooling our attention, commodities, and services around a single currency. One of the most important promises that the Pi Network app does not drain a phone's battery excessively does not appear to have been thoroughly tested. However, mining is sometimes used to refer to crypto minting via a proof of work consensus, which does not apply to Pi. While there have been a few online reports of phone battery difficulties caused by the Pi app, this does not rule out the possibility that they are occurring or, more crucially, may occur in the future. Mobile operating systems are updated regularly, and it is not uncommon for apps to have issues with a new system. This does not imply that the Pi app will be affected, but it is something to consider. Pi Network has said that it would not perform an initial coin offering, ICO, for its currency, implying that any Pi ICOs are a scam. Pi is mined for free by contributing to the environment. All mined Pi must be claimed using Pi's app. Any website that asks you to claim Pi in any other way is a scam. Sales or liquidity pools on multiple chains are frauds, since Pi works on its blockchain. Some people are worried that the Pi Network is a ripoff. According to the network's website, this is not true. Pi is not a hoax. A group of Stanford grads is making a sincere attempt to make cryptocurrencies more accessible to the general public. But, on the contrary, Vietnamese crypto expert Dang Minh Truan believes that users will lose personal information, take time, lose phone resources, and possibly lose more information on the device, and that the effort required to entice others into the so-called trust circle is akin to a pyramid scheme. Recently, advertisements were introduced to the Pi Network's app, implying that the software's primary goal is to make money from users. People must also provide their entire name, phone number, and Facebook information to the app. The fact that new users may only join up with a referral code from an existing Pi member may raise suspicions that it's a pyramid scam. On the other hand, users may only earn Pi from their own direct networks, not from the networks of their contacts, as is the case with most multi-level marketing systems like pyramid schemes. After sounding the warning, we must emphasize that Pi Network is by no means certain to be a fraud. However, like with any new cryptocurrency, caution is advised. It is quite conceivable for a cryptocurrency like Pi to be created with the greatest of intentions and still fail, leaving investors with the same outcome as if they have invested in a scam coin, losing their entire investment. In the future, the Pi currency may potentially be used to make purchases such as NFTs and other products and services. Even though most of this is just conjecture, the Pi Network's enormous user base suggests that this project has a lot of promise. We'll have to wait and watch what happens after the currency is traded on exchanges, if anything. That's all from this video. We hope you learned something from it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your loved ones so they too can learn something. Also, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until the next video, peace, I'm out.